Record, please. And okay. Okay, so Adikap, good morning, everybody. Okay, so today we are going to talk about a new unit. Okay, unit number 8. Okay, so we are going to move on to another unit. Okay, anyway, are you done with your workbooks last time? Workbooks yesterday. Are you done? Finished? Okay, so later on we will collect it. Okay. Anyway, let's move on to unit number 8. And our unit 8 talks about and heredity. So we will find out about characteristics and heredity. Okay, today. Okay, are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, what have you learned from our previous lesson, from lesson number 7? What did you learn from our lesson number 7? Again?
Living and non-living components.
Very good. Living and non-living components. Okay, what else? Adaptation. Very good. Food chain. Okay, what else? Food web. How animals adapt to their feeding relationships. Okay, so those things, okay, and I want to thank you all because you learned a lot from our previous lesson, and please continue learning. Okay, so now we made this far. Okay, and congratulations, everybody. This will be our last unit for this semester. So we are heading towards the end of our semester. Okay, and you're moving on to your next endeavor. Okay, you are moving to P6. So congratulations. Okay, so anyway, let's move on and let's learn. Okay, anyway, let's read our topic for this morning. Okay, everybody? Characteristics, heredity, and genes. Okay, so we'll be talking about characteristics, heredity, and genes. Okay, anyway, let's have new sets of vocabularies. Okay, now, please repeat after me. Okay, inherit.
Inherit. สืบทอดสืบลักษณะทางพันธุกรรม
Similar.
Similar เหมือนกันคล้ายกัน
Decide.
Decide ตัดสินชี้ชัด
Cells.
Cells เซลล์
Nucleus.
Nucleus ส่วนที่อยู่ตรงกลางของเซลล์ของสิ่งมีชีวิต
Offspring.
Offspring ทายาท
Reproduce.
Reproduce สืบพันธุ์
Fair skin.
Fair skin ผิวขาว
Dark skin.
Dark skin ผิวคล้ำ
Genes.
Genes ยีนลักษณะที่ถ่ายทอดทางพันธุกรรม
Parents.
Parents พ่อแม่
Look like.
Look like เหมือนคล้าย
Physical.
Physical ทางกายภาพ
Trait.
Trait ลักษณะนิสัย
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's read all of them together. Okay? English and Thai translation together. 1, 2, 3, go. Inherit.
สืบทอดสืบลักษณะทางธรรมพันธุ์
Similar.
เหมือนกันคล้ายกัน
Decide.
ตัดสินชี้ชัด
Cells.
เซลล์
Nucleus.
ส่วนที่อยู่ตรงกลางของเซลล์ของสิ่งมีชีวิต
Offspring.
ทายาท
Reproduce.
สืบพันธุ์
Fair skin.
ผิวขาว
Dark skin.
ผิวคล้
Genes.
ำยีนลักษณะที่ถ่ายทอดทางพันธุกรรม
Parents.
พ่อแม่
Look like.
เหมือนคล้าย
Physical.
ทางกายภาพ
Trait.
ลักษณะวิสัย
Okay, now by group, let's read. Okay, could you please stand up and let's read the English words 2 times. Okay, everybody. Okay, okay, relax. Okay, and let's read the English words 2 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Inherit. Similar. Decide. Cells. Nucleus. Offspring. Reproduce. Fair skin. Dark skin. Genes. Parents. Look like. Physical. Trait. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, next group. Okay, I would like you to stand up, everybody, and let's read our English words 2 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Inherit, similar, decide, cells, nucleus, offspring, reproduce, fair skin, dark skin, genes, parents, look like, physical, trait.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and this group in the middle. Okay, could you please stand up and let's read all together the English words twice. Go.
Inherit, similar,
Decide.
cells, nucleus, offspring, reproduce, fair skin, dark skin, genes,
Parents.
look like, physical, trait.
Okay, thank you very much. Please sit down. Okay, so please don't forget these words because we will encounter them for the rest of this unit. Okay? And um, we will make and do conversation with them. Okay? So let's move on to our next. Um, okay, now let's move on to our video. Okay, before we move on, let's watch a video. Okay, and then please gather as many information as you can. Okay, so as usual, I will be asking you a question. Okay, what is the video all about? Okay? Yes, yes, later. Okay, so let's watch this video. Is this ready already? Okay.
When living things reproduce, they pass DNA to their offspring. Through asexual reproduction, some living things can reproduce without a partner. Offspring made this way are genetically identical to the parent. Other living things, like people, reproduce with a partner. This is called sexual reproduction. Offspring made this way inherit equal amounts of DNA from two parents. Each of us has 2 copies of every gene. The 2 copies may be the same, or they may be different. The combined output from all of our genes influences our inherited traits. When a couple has children, each parent passes down 1 copy of each of their genes. For each gene, which copy is passed along is random, and it may be different for each child. Each child gets a unique combination of copies of all of their parents' genes. This mixing contributes to genetic variation. Because they share genes, children resemble their parents and each other. But unique gene combinations give each individual a unique set of inherited characteristics. Looking farther back in the family tree, the parents' DNA came from their parents. So the children also share DNA with their grandparents. But the amount they share with each grandparent is only half as much as they share with each parent. Looking back to the great-grandparents, the children share DNA with all of them, but only half again as much. This inheritance pattern explains why you have more genes in common with closer relatives, like your mom, than you do with more distant relatives, like your great-grandmother. In this way, your DNA holds a record of your family relationships.
Okay, so let's answer this question. What is the video all about? About genes. What else? DNA. Very good. Huh? Again? Anyone? Yeah. Yes? Okay, parents. Okay, parents and offspring. Okay, what else? Hmm? Reproduction. Okay, so reproduction. Okay, what else? So it's about inheritance, genes, characteristics, traits. Okay, you are all correct. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let's read our question. Okay, let's stimulate our mind. Okay, number 1. Okay, everybody go. Why do children look like their parents? Okay, why do you think? Why do you think? Huh? Children look like their parents? Okay, we will answer them. We will answer this question later on. Okay, now, number 2. Where do we get our characteristics from? Okay, so it's so obvious. Okay, later on. Okay,
What is
heredity. What is heredity? And number 4.
What are these
Tiny things in our body that decide what we look like. Okay, how many questions do we have? Okay, we have 4. Okay, so we will answer them one by one. Okay, before we move on, okay, let's have a little activity. Okay. Okay, so what common characteristics do they have? Okay, so we have a picture of parent and an offspring. Okay, okay, a father and a son, I guess. Okay, what do you think is their common characteristic or characteristics? Huh? They have dark skin. Okay, what else? Hair, what hair? They have curly hair. What else? What do you think? Hmm? Eyes. Okay, they have similar shape of eyes. Okay, I can see it. Okay. Okay, ear. Okay, what else? The nose. Yes. Okay. What else? Yes, they have similar face. Okay, so they look um, like Teacher G. Hmm? Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, so they belong to similar race. Okay, now maybe they are African or African American with uh, yeah. So that's it. Now let's move on to this picture, this image. Okay, what common characteristics do they have? Face. Okay, what else? Hair color. Okay, what else? The eyes. Okay, they have very small and narrow eyelids. Okay, what else? Smile. Okay, look at them. Okay, they have this same smile. What else? What else? What do you think? They have skin. Okay, the same. Okay, they have fair skin. Okay, very good. Okay, very good observation. Okay, now let's move on. Anyway, this one, they look. Where do you think they came from? From China. Okay, in what continent? Asia. Okay, Pacific. Asia Pacific. Okay, or Eastern Asia. Okay, like Japan, Korea. Okay, okay. Now China. Okay, now this one. Hair colors. Okay, they have the same blonde hair. What else? They have the same face. What else? They have fair skin. Okay, what else? Eyes. Okay, what else? The color of the eyes, I guess. Yes, smile. Okay, what else? What else? They have the same nose. Okay, so they look like what? They look farang. They look Caucasian. Okay, so we call this appearance as or characteristic as Caucasian. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, they look like they are from okay, India, Bangladesh, okay, Pakistan. So they look like they are from South Asia, okay, or South Asian. Okay. So what characteristics do they share? They have dark skin. Okay. What else? Darker complexion. Okay. What else? The same face. Okay. The same shape of eyes. Okay. Nose. Okay. Huh? Again? Hair. Okay. They have dark hair. Okay. Very good observation, kids. Now, let's move on. Why do children look like their parents? Why do you think? Because of They have the same genes. Okay. So let's read. Everybody, children,
Children
look
like their parents.
because
They
inherited the genes of their parents. Okay. So children look like their parents because they inherited the genes of their parents. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, we have here three generations of one family. Okay, so we have grandfather, we have father, and a son. Okay, okay. I hear somebody said grandfather, father, and father to be. Okay, so yeah, soon. Okay, so this is the son, the grandson of the grandfather. Okay, okay. Now let's move on. So, what do you mean by genes? Okay, okay. So let's move on to the study of genes. Okay, everybody, the study of genes. Go. Study
of these
heredity, inheritance, and variation in living organisms is called what? What do we call it? Hmm? DNA? No, I'm talking about the study. Hmm? Gen, ne, somebody said it. Yes, okay, generation, okay. The study of generation, okay. Genetics. Okay, everybody, one more time. Let's read. Go. The
study of genes,
heredity, inheritance, and variation in living organisms.
is called
Genetics. Okay, so let's talk about this genetics. Okay, so this is the study of genes. Okay, this is the branch of science where they focus on genes, heredity, inheritance, and variation of living organism. Okay, now, do you know this guy?
Mendel.
Huh?
Mendel.
Very good. His name is Gregor Mendel. Very good. Okay, who is Gregor Mendel?
Father of modern genetics.
Very good. Let's read. Everybody go. Gregor Mendel
Gregor Mendel is the father of modern genetics.
Very good. Gregor Mendel is the father of modern genetics. Okay? So, his experiment with pea plants. Okay? This experiment is very famous. Okay? His experiments with pea plants become the basis for the modern understanding of genetics. Okay, what do you mean by pea plants? What is pea plants in Thai? Tua lantau. Okay, tua lantau. Okay. Am I saying it correct?
Yes.
Tua lantau.
Yes.
Okay. So pea plants. Okay. This experiment is very famous. Until now, this is the basis or the foundation of modern genetics. Okay? Okay, now let's move on. So again, who is the father of modern genetics? Gregor Mendel. Okay. Okay, now let's move on. Heredity. What is heredity? Everybody, is the passing on of characteristics from parents to
Children.
okay. Heredity is the passing on of characteristics from parents to children. It is a process where characteristics, okay, traits are being passed down to children from parents. Okay. I'm giving you 10 seconds to memorize and remember. Okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's read first. Okay, everybody. Heredity.
Heredity is the
Passing on of characteristics.
parents to children.
Okay, now let's memorize. Heredity. What is heredity? 1, 2, 3, go. Heredity is the passing on of
Characteristic from
parents to children. Very good. Number. What number do you like? Today. Okay, today is? Okay, 24th of 24th? Oh yes, 24th of February. Okay. Number 24, of course. Okay. Okay. Okay? Don't be too excited. What number do you like? You choose. Okay, 3. Sit down. Number 3. Where is number 3? Okay, number 3. Could you please say it? Heredity. What is heredity? Okay, heredity. Go. Heredity. The. Okay, you read. Go. Heredity.
Is the
Passing on
passing on
of characteristics.
from
Parents.
parents to children.
Children. Okay, give me a number.
What?
Number 1. Okay, number 1. Okay, sit down. Okay. Give me. Give me. Okay, you memorize. Go. Her-
Is
heredity is the
passing on of characteristics from parents to children.
very good. Okay. Now, let's go back to number 24. Okay. Let's answer. What is heredity?
Heredity is the passing on of characteristics from parents to children.
Very good. Okay. One more time, everybody. Let's read. Go.
Heredity
Is the passing on of characteristics from parents to children. Okay, so that is heredity. Okay, now let's move on to inheritance. Okay, inheritance. Everybody, what is inheritance? 1, 2, 3, go.
inheritance
Is the particular characteristics received from parents through genes. Okay. So inheritance is the particular characteristics received by the offspring from parents to through genes. Okay. Now, let's move on. Okay, for example, if a parent has blonde hair, okay, like this couple, okay, mother and daughter, okay, the child, okay, likely to have blonde hair too. Okay, now let's move on to characteristics. Okay, characteristics describes individual people. Okay, they make us special or different from other people. Okay, everybody, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. What is characteristics?
characteristics
Describe
individual
people.
they make us special or different from
Other people. Okay, now let's memorize. I'll be giving you 20 seconds. Individual. Okay? 20 seconds. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Okay. Now, let's read. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go. Characteristics. Describe individual people. They make us special or different from other people. Okay, what is characteristic? Number, okay, 24. 24 plus 24. Yeah? 48. We don't have 48, right? Okay, minus 30. 18. Okay, 18. Okay. What is characteristics? Or what is a characteristic? Okay. Again? You forgot. Okay. Let's read. Okay. Characteristics.
Characteristics describe individual people. They make us special or different from other people.
Okay. Thank you. Who else? Give me a number. Number 18. Give me a number. Number 13. Okay, where is number 13? Okay. Describe. Okay. Okay, let's read. Go. Individual people.
They make us special or different from other people.
Okay, thank you very much. Please sit down. Okay, let's read. Everybody, what is characteristics? 1, 2, 3, go. Describe individual people. They make us
Special or different
from.
other people.
Okay, so every person has many different characteristics. Okay, can you define your characteristic? Can you describe who you are? Okay, I'll give my description of myself. Okay, I have brown skin. Okay, I have a brown skin. I have um, curly hair. Okay, I have small eyelid. I am an opa. Okay. Okay. What else? Um, I have hairy face. Okay. I guess. Okay. What else? Um, can you describe me? Can you describe Teacher Philip? I have brown eyes. Very good. What else can you notice to Teacher Philip? What can you observe? I have black hair. The fair skin? I guess it's brown. Okay, what else?
Your nose.
My nose. What's my nose? Okay, I have not so long nose. Just not so big. Okay, not so big. Just a little. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, what else? What else? A cute nose. Okay, a cute nose. What else? What else? What else can you observe to Teacher Philip? Can you give me my characteristic? That's a fact. Okay, what else? Huh? Yes, okay, that's a fact. Okay, what else? What else? Am I smart? No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Okay, so there are many, okay, just like myself. Okay, I offer myself to be your guinea pig. You can experiment with me. Okay, you can observe what am I. Okay, okay, I am tall. Okay, yeah, I'm average. Okay, I have 5'6", 5 foot 6 inches. Yeah, um, yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's what else? What else? I have thin lips. Okay, thank you. Good observation. Beard? I don't have a beard. Okay. Yeah. I control it. Okay. 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 Anyway, let's move on. Okay. Now, let's answer this question. Where do we get our characteristics from? Our parents. Okay, our parents. Okay, everybody, we get them from our parents. Okay, we get them from our parents. Okay, so if your father and mother are tall, you are likely to be tall too. Okay, so look at this father and son. Okay, so they both have the same stature. Okay, they are tall. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Okay, I am giving you some of the characteristics. This might not be all. Okay, so you add more. Okay, so we have curly hair. Okay, let's discuss only the common characteristics. Okay, so we have straight hair. Okay, fair skin, dark skin, short, tall, fat, thin. Okay, so these are different, different what? These are different characteristics. Okay, so these are the most common, okay, noticeable characteristics we can encounter every day. Okay, so we observe people, okay, every day. Maybe they are curly hair, they have curly hair, they have straight hair. They, yeah, we tend to judge people according to their color. Okay, so some people have fair skin. Okay, we have darker complexion. Uh, no, yeah, yeah. No, okay, so short and tall. Okay, okay. Anyway, these characteristics, nothing is good or bad with it. Okay, so we are all unique. Okay, it is a heritage from our parents. We get it from our parents. Okay, so there is no good and there is no bad characteristics. Okay, maybe you are insecure because your color, the color of your skin is not the same with other people who are more famous, who are more well off. Okay, but it's not your the color of your skin doesn't matter anymore. Okay, it is the the contain of your heart. Okay, the contents of your heart. Okay, whether you are a good person or a bad person. Okay, okay, now let's move on. Okay, the reason we have characteristics is because of what? Nah? Okay, because of genes. Okay, what is gene? Okay, what is a gene? Okay, these are, everybody go. These are tiny things in our body that decide what we look like. Okay, so genes, okay, genes are very tiny thing, okay, in our body, okay, that decides what we look like. Okay, genes, everybody go. Genes are passed on from parents to children, and this is why we look like them. Okay, genes are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. Okay, so meaning genes contains instruction. Okay, it contains instruction what we look like, what are our traits, our characteristics would be. Okay, now let's move on. So where can we find genes? Where do you think we can find genes? DNA. Okay, so DNA. A gene is part of DNA. Everybody go. Our DNA. Okay, look at this. We call this what? DNA. Okay, DNA. Okay, so the whole thing, this whole thing, we call it DNA. But in every section, okay, okay, this one is a gene. Okay, this one also is a gene and gene. Okay, so meaning a DNA is composed of genes. Do you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Are you still following me? Okay. Maybe. Okay, so a gene is a part of our Okay, our DNA is comprises of gene. Okay. Now, genes. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go. Genes carry instructions for building and maintaining living organisms. Okay, so that's it. Genes serves as the basic unit of heredity. Okay, so let's hunt, okay, for genes. Okay, now what do you call this? This is a body. Very good. What kind of body? Human body. Okay, human body is made up of what? It's made up of different. It's made up of genes. Okay, not so fast. Okay, DNA, and then okay, our body is made up of what? Different or organs. Okay, our body or a human body is made up of different organs or human organs. Human organs, they are made up of what? Different human tissue. Very good. Human tissue. Human tissues, they are made up of what? Huh? Cell. Very good. We have biologist here. Okay. Human cell. Okay. Now, cell. Inside the cell, we have nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have chromosome. Inside the chromosome, we have DNA. And within DNA, we have okay. So, can you follow it now? Do you understand how we end up in genes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's read. Gene, 1, 2, 3, go.
Genes plays an important role in
Deciding
the
characteristics
of living things such as its physical appearance and behavior.
Okay, so gene plays an important part or important role in deciding the characteristics and of a living thing. Okay, so it decides what we look like. Genes. Okay, Billie Jeans, not my lover. Ow! Okay, jeans. Hee hee. Okay. Do you like Michael Jackson? Huh? Do you like Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Billie Jeans. Okay, so that's it. Genes. Okay, so that's how we end up with genes. Okay? So, human body is made up of human organs. Human organs is made up of human tissues. Human tissues are made up of human cells. Cell is made up of nucleus, okay, chromosomes, DNA, and genes. Okay, now let's move on. Let's look closer to cell. Everybody, let's read. Please help me. 1, 2, 3, go. This structure is called a cell. All parts of our body are made up of cells. Okay, all parts, meaning all organs inside our body, including our skin. Okay, so it is made up of cells. Now, inside a cell, there is a structure called nucleus. This structure is the brain of a cell. It contains all the activities of a cell. Now, let's read. Last. 1, 2, 3, go. The nucleus. Go.
Nucleus
Contains genes. These genes determine our characteristics. Okay. I guess it's time already. And let's end this. Okay. And let's continue this next meeting. Okay. Leader, please. Sawadee-kap. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Thank you, teacher Philip.
Okay. Billie Jeans, not my lover. Ow! Hee hee. Okay, you can go now. Moonwalk, moonwalk, moonwalk.
Now